Need to fix Thread app keeps crashing? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Thread. Once found, move into it. Click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Now the next thing you want to do is go back, swipe down the screen from the top right corner of the screen. You have to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Once connected, now move into App Store. In the address bar, search for Thread. Click on this app. If you see the option of update instead of open, then tap on update and update it to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app might also fix the issue. Or else, tap and hold the assistive touch and then click on restart. Restarting the device might also help you out. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.